Meet Sam, and this is Armand. And here's a fun fact about them. They love their grandparents, and they want the best for them. Sadly, in 2015, Sam's grandmother passed away from staying 8 hours on the ground after a fall. This happens way too often, so Sam and Armand went on a quest to find a solution, because products on the market seemed incomplete or too complex to use. Then they met a team of brilliant engineers from the southwest of France who said, "Hey, we've got location technology, and if you use it to detect falls, it will work all the time." Sam said, "Get out of here. That's impossible." And they answered, "Come see for yourself." So they tried it. Once, twice, 10 times, 21,197 times. They even tried it from behind a door, and it worked. They had found the solution. They had to find a way to make installations easy, so they incorporated the solution into a lamp and called it Sunrise. It detects all falls of 15 meters around and calls for help so the person doesn't stay on the ground when every minute counts. Also, its light is a mood enhancer and helps stabilize sleep patterns. It's built in France on a short circuit because we're keeping it local. We've the potential to keep our elderly independent for a lot longer. We can reduce the time spent alone after a fall. So, how does it work? When the lamp detects that the device you're wearing is too close to the ground, in an abnormal position, it automatically calls a neighbour for help. As we don't want the first responders to destroy your front door for nothing, we don't send an alert if it's not necessary. Now, after years of development, Sunrise is technologically ready. However, to be launched on the market, we need your help to finish the last details, especially the design. We want it available for those that need it, even those who can't afford it for now, but will be able to once we're up and running at full steam. Our costs must come down. Because getting old should not mean losing your freedom, your house, or your peace of mind, we need you to help us get this lamp on the market.